verified badge on Instagram. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to get a verified badge on your Instagram account. I'll do the entire procedure here on my phone. So let's get started. First step, go to your Instagram profile, then click on these three lines at the top. Then at the bottom, you'll see this option, show that your profile is verified. Since I'm not a subscriber yet, I'll click on this option. Here you'll see the available plans, so you'll need to choose one of these options. I'm going to select the first option. Here I get 2 weeks free, so I won't pay anything for 2 weeks. Then the price appears for payment. The plan details change, including the final price, so pay close attention to this. I'll choose the first one and click on Take Advantage of Benefits below. You can choose here where the verified badge will appear. So in this plan, it's only for Instagram, folks. For Facebook, I need a different plan. I'm going to click here on Skip. So here it is, folks. The amount I'll pay after 2 weeks, what I'll get in this plan, the benefits, verified badge, protection against impersonation, and other advantages. I'll click below to redeem the offer, folks. So here it is, folks. 2 weeks free trial, the price, my card. Just click here on subscribe at the bottom. Remember, folks, you can cancel anytime in subscriptions on Google Play. I'll make a video if you have questions about cancellation. After you're done, folks, click below to activate the necessary security. Take a read, and if you agree, click Next. Analysis in progress. Now just wait, folks. Did you manage it, folks? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Big hug. God bless. Thanks.